What if you didn't have to click, scroll, or fill out forms ever again? What if you could simply ask, and your AI would do it for you inside a real browser? That's no longer science fiction. It's already here. Hugging Face has just released the Open Computer Agent, a powerful open-source AI system that doesn't just talk. It acts. It doesn't just answer questions, it performs real tasks on real websites in real time. This is a major leap, because until now, most AI tools were passive. They gave you answers. They explained things. They helped you understand. But they never actually did anything for you on the web. The Open Computer Agent changes that. It's not running scripted automation or calling secret APIs. It uses an actual browser. It visually processes the screen, just like you do, and interacts with it using a virtual mouse and keyboard. That means it can open a web page, click buttons, type into fields, scroll through menus, and even navigate through complex forms. Let's say you ask it to find the nearest open pharmacy. It understands the instruction, opens the browser, goes to Google Maps, types in your location, and shows you real directions just like a human would. Or maybe you want to search for a flight. It visits a travel website, enters departure and destination cities, selects dates, and starts the booking process right in front of you. This isn't back-end code doing the work. This is live, front-end interaction. The AI is literally browsing for you. It's all part of a research project from Hugging Face called Small Agents, a new direction in AI that focuses on lightweight, efficient systems that can complete useful tasks with minimal resources. What's happening here is a shift from conversational AI to agentic AI that takes action. So how does it actually work under the hood? It starts with natural language understanding. You give it a plain command like book a train ticket from Paris to Berlin next weekend. The agent breaks that down, figures out which site to visit, then uses the browser to begin the process. It combines computer vision and something called DOM analysis, which lets it see and understand what's on the page, buttons, fields, images, and text. Then, using virtual inputs, it clicks, scrolls, and types. This goes far beyond what tools like ChatGPT or Google Gemini can do. Those models can summarize websites or help you understand what you're seeing, but they can't interact with the web itself. Even Microsoft's Copilot, which is great for automating things like Excel and Outlook, is limited to apps that already have structured APIs or deep integrations. But Hugging Face's agent is different. It works with unstructured websites, the messy, unpredictable kind that don't offer API access or clean backend data. It doesn't rely on special plugins or integrations. It just sees the page like a human does and figures it out. That's huge, because most of the web doesn't offer nice APIs or pre-built automation paths. This agent doesn't need them. It just works with what's visible on screen. Now, of course, it's not flawless. This is still early stage tech. It can't log into accounts, solve CAPTCHAs, or complete sensitive transactions without help. It might misclick, misunderstand elements, or get stuck in modal windows. But that's exactly why Hugging Face made it open source. Instead of hiding the code or putting it behind a paywall, they released everything the full stack. Anyone can access it. Anyone can experiment. Anyone can build on top of it. That level of transparency is rare, especially when you compare it to companies like OpenAI, Google, or Microsoft, who often keep their systems tightly closed. Here, Hugging Face is treating AI like infrastructure, not just a product. They're giving developers and researchers the building blocks for the next generation of automation, and that might be what makes this release even more powerful than the tech itself. By opening it up to the public, they're unlocking faster progress. Smaller teams can build their own versions. Tinkerers can find bugs, improve performance, and adapt it to specific industries. And innovators can test ideas that would never get built inside a corporate lab. This agent is already being used to explore use cases like automated research, online scheduling, booking, form filling, even website testing. And it's not hard to imagine a near future where agents like this manage your inbox, schedule your week, handle your registrations, or even fill out entire government forms all in the background while you focus on more meaningful tasks. It could also be a huge leap forward for accessibility. For users with disabilities or motor impairments, browsing the web can be frustrating or even impossible. But an AI agent that understands voice commands and navigates the web for them, that could remove real barriers. We're heading into a world where AI doesn't just support your decisions, it handles the execution. where you don't just search for things, you ask, and it's done. Instead of clicking through 5 tabs to book a meeting or register for an event, you'll just say, "Set it up for me," and the AI will take care of the rest. This is the beginning of that shift. From assistant to operator. From passive text generator to active web agent. And while the open computer agent still needs refinement, the foundation is already in place. This is no longer an idea. It's real, it's working, and it's open to everyone. The future of web interaction? It's not just something you control with your keyboard and mouse anymore. It's something your AI handles for you.